What if I told you that the secret to saving thousands of pounds is not about giving up your daily coffee? Today, I'm revealing 10 game-changing money-saving hacks that most people don't know, but that the rich swear by. First, why do most people struggle with saving money? It's because the system is designed to make you spend. From psychological marketing tricks to hidden fees, your paycheck disappears before you know it. But what if you could hack the system? Imagine keeping more money in your pocket without sacrificing the things you love. Let's dive in. Money-saving hack number 1. Automate your savings. Ever heard of paying yourself first? Before you even see your paycheck, set up an automatic transfer to your savings. It's the easiest way to trick yourself into saving. Aim for at least 20% of your income. Money-saving hack number 2, the 30-day rule. Impulse buying is a wealth killer. Here's the rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. 9 times out of 10, you won't even want it anymore. No impulse buys = more money for investments. Money-saving hack number 3. Use the invisible money trick. Studies show that using cash makes you spend less. But here's the twist. Keep your bigger bills and stash them away. Breaking a £100 note feels painful, so you'll hesitate before spending it. Money-saving hack number 4. Negotiate everything. Here's a secret. Almost every bill is negotiable. Call your service providers and ask for a lower rate. Tell them you're considering switching. You'll be surprised how often they say yes. Real savings, £300, £1,000 per year. Money-saving hack number 5. Buy used, save thousands. Cars, gadgets, furniture, buying secondhand can save you 30 to 70% without sacrificing quality. Plus, depreciation is your enemy. Let someone else take the hit. Check out certified refurbished items. Now, avoid these common pitfalls. Thinking credit card points will make you rich. The truth? Banks make money off your spending habits. If you don't pay your balance in full, you're losing. Another trap? Low-interest savings accounts. Inflation is eating your money. Invest it instead. Here's how to take action now. 1. Automate savings before you spend one. Use the 30-day rule to cut impulse buying. 1. Negotiate your bills for instant savings. 1. Switch to secondhand purchases whenever possible. 1. Invest, don't just save. Your future self will thank you. Bonus. Start a side hustle for an extra income boost. What's the best money-saving hack you've ever used? Drop it in the comments. I'll feature the best ones in a future video. Like, share, and follow for more smart money tips. Next up, the investing myths that are keeping people poor. Click here to watch.